Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly get a total for a column in your Notion database without having to mess with any formulas at all. Whether you're tracking expenses, keeping tabs on inventory, or just organizing information, you'll have a clear summary by the end of this tutorial. If you've ever wondered how those total values magically appear at the bottom of a Notion table, this video will not only reveal the trick, but walk you through it in a friendly, step-by-step way. Let's dive right in. First up, imagine you have a Notion database open. Maybe it's a list of your monthly expenses, your sales log, or even just a collection of numbers you're planning to reference. Each item sits nice and neat in its own row, and there's a column labeled something like amount or price. Take a look at that column for a moment and spot those values you want to add up. Now, here comes the cool part. Hover your mouse over the header of your number column. You'll notice Notion shows you a little drop-down arrow when you move over the column name, and that means there are more options tucked away. Go ahead and give that column header a click. What you're doing here is essentially telling Notion, hey, this is the property I care about. I want to see a summary for this particular set of numbers. It's almost like you're highlighting a column in a typical spreadsheet, but with Notion's unique twist. Once you've clicked that property, say it's labeled total or amount, scroll down in that menu until you see the word Calculate. Now, this part trips some people up because Notion hides lots of features behind menus that aren't always obvious, but don't worry. Clicking Calculate opens up a set of calculation options specifically for your chosen number property. Think of it like opening up a toolbox. Notion is giving you ways to summarize your data, just like a helpful assistant. Next, take a look at the expanded list that appears. You'll see a few choices like average, median, and minimum. But since you're interested in the total, look for sum. Select sum, and boom. Notion instantly displays the grand total for that column, right at the bottom of your table. It's kind of like having a running tally up your sleeve. If you ever add a new row or update a value, the sum stays in sync automatically. So you'll always have the freshest numbers without lifting a finger. It might take a few moments to locate these menu options the first time, especially if you're new to Notion. Remember, you aren't changing any of your data or risking mistakes. The Calculate feature simply displays the total, so you can refer to it as often as you need. There's no need for formulas, complicated math, or extra setup. It's perfect for anyone who prefers straightforward solutions. Just a couple of clicks, and you've got instant insight into your numbers. And that's all there is to it. You now have the total value for your chosen column, calculated and displayed right inside your database. No manual sums, no headaches. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Notion tips. Maybe there's another feature you want to master next. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a fresh tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.